Are you looking for an innovative cooking solution that can save you time and elevate your culinary skills? Meet the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker, a game changer in the kitchen that's loved by customers for its quality and ease of use. Customers rave about the pressure cooker's cooking quality. They highlight its perfect results, especially with the pressure cook setting. Do you want to prepare meals quickly and efficiently? The step-by-step guidance ensures great outcomes with minimal effort. Many users appreciate the extensive recipe library. The app offers various pre-programmed recipes, making meal planning a breeze. You can also rely on the shopping lists provided to simplify your grocery trips. While the cooker generally performs exceptionally, some customers note mixed experiences regarding its functionality. Some users find it works great, while others have reported occasional issues with the machine. Connectivity may also present challenges for some, as there are reports of Wi-Fi issues affecting the app's functionality. One standout feature is the app's intuitive design. Users love how it connects effortlessly with their devices. However, occasional connectivity issues have been mentioned. The quality of ingredients has not gone unnoticed. Many customers describe their meals as delicious and perfectly cooked. Dishes like chili and freshly steamed vegetables are made easy, restoring confidence in cooking even for beginners. Happy customers have shared their joy in rediscovering their love for cooking. The Chef IQ not only simplifies the process but also enhances meal preparation, allowing families to reconnect over delicious food. Want to know more? Click the product link in the description below to explore the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker today. Experience the joy of stress-free cooking and elevate your culinary skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your love and support inspire us to keep bringing you the best reviews. Order today for fast delivery across all U.S. states and join our community of satisfied chefs today.